Alright, database connectivity. So we will cover database connectivity and how to use it with your Express application in the next session in detail. So this will just be an introduction. We have a complete session where we will learn how to use MongoDB and how to set it up and how to use it with our existing Node.js application. Okay, so this will be just an introduction. Adding the capability to connect databases to Express applications is just a matter of loading the appropriate Node.js driver. And if you go to the npmjs.org, where you can find multiple Node.js, multiple database modules that connect with Node.js. Okay, so let's actually see a code that I have written. Again, we will work on the code in the next session, and obviously in the all of the three projects where we will work with the MongoDB database. But this is just a quick introduction of how we can use the drivers that MongoDB has on the npmjs.org. Okay, so what I have done here is I have installed MongoDB module, and I have imported here in my db.js file. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm just saying Mongo client. I'm just getting the one object called Mongo client from this, and I'm going to connect it to a path that I have. So in here, if you notice here, the URL for this path, it's MongoDB :/localhost 27017. All right, so in here, if you notice the animals, that is the name of the database. So I have the database declared, and I'm accessing the client.db, which is animals. And from within that database, I'm accessing the collection called mammals, and I'm trying to find something. I'm actually finding all of the mammals that are existing in the collection, and I'm logging them out. All right, so we will actually code in the next section for this, but this is just a quick overview of what we can do. Now, if we move to the expressjs.com and look under the guide for database integration, we can see all the possible Node.js modules that we can get for different databases. So we have one for Cassandra, Couchbase, CouchDB, LevelDB, MySQL, MongoDB, Neo4j, and so on. So we'll be covering MongoDB in the next session, and we'll also be working on a project where we'll be covering MySQL. All you have to do is click on MongoDB, and this is the very simplest explanation that we can get. So all we do is npm install MongoDB and be connected to our local MongoDB instance. We haven't yet created a local MongoDB instance, and that is why I'm not walking through this code, but we will definitely cover this in the next session. All right, so that covers the database connectivity, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Take care.